This is an upper body workout for seniors and adults who feel like seniors. This is a follow along style video, so all you got to do is hit play and do what I do. For this workout, you're only going to need a countertop or a couch, and you're going to need a dumbbell. If you're strong enough, you can also do some push-ups on the floor, but if you're just starting out, I suggest you use a countertop or a couch. As you're doing the workout, remember that slow is safe and fast is foolish. So if these are new exercises to you, you haven't really been doing anything like this for a while, please don't try to push the range of motion, don't be too intense, and please don't go so intensely that you give yourself a heart attack. Take it easy, take it slow, and if you need extra rest times, just hit the pause button and catch your breath. If you want more details on the two upper body exercises that are in this workout, be sure to check the description box for the video where I go into them in detail and why they're so important for seniors. And if you're a senior watching this right now, drop me a comment down below and let me know how old you are and why you're here to strengthen your upper body. All right, so let's go grab a dumbbell or even a bottle of water just so you have a little bit of weight to work with. And let's get this workout started. All right, let's get next to your countertop or your couch, or if you're doing push-ups on the floor, you can do them on the floor. Just make sure you're strong enough to do them. All right, 1 minute of work, here we go. Only go as low as you feel you can control. If you feel like you can't go very low, then use a higher surface, use a higher countertop, use the wall, and make sure you're pushing yourself all the way up. Okay, so you're not just like staying here, you want to push all the way up. Keep your head and neck in alignment as best you can. Get your chest as low to your counter or to the couch as you can. But again, no pop snaps or cracks, no pain. Stay within the range that you can control and then push out of it. Make sure you're not going so intense that you feel like you're going to give yourself a heart attack. Take rest whenever you need it. If you need to take a rest before time is up, it's totally okay. Okay, good. Go ahead and relax. Take 30 seconds rest. If you need longer rest, feel free to hit the pause button. And then when you feel like you've caught your breath, you feel like you're ready to go, we'll go. Okay, so we're gonna get your dumbbell out and we're gonna be doing the dumbbell rows. So you're just gonna have it hanging at the side. You're gonna be pulling. Remember to pull that shoulder blade back and then that elbow up. All right, here we go. Make sure you're not rounding your spine. Don't put any excessive big curves in your spine. Just a nice neutral position. Keep your abs engaged. Feel those back muscles working. Feel those muscles on the back of your shoulder working. Nice and controlled. Don't whip it up rapidly. Again, if at any point you feel like you need to take a rest, you can take it. I'm not there to force you to do anything. I cannot reach you through this screen with anything but my words. And hopefully you hear the words, rest when you need to, and don't give yourself a heart attack. All right. Let's take a little rest. And hey, while you're resting, if you're interested in a program built for seniors and adults that feel like seniors, go to uprighthealth.com/seniors and sign up for the interest list. That'll tell me that there are enough people out there who want this program and I will build it. So if you want to be strong, mobile, and independent for the long run, uprighthealth.com/seniors, drop your email and I will build that program and let you know when it's finished. All right, let's get back to the workout. Make sure you're also using a weight that is doable. So if it feels like you can only do 3 or 4, you're using too heavy a weight, aim for around 10. All right, here we go. 10 to 20. You don't need to impress anybody by doing like a heavy weight that you can only do 3 or 4 times. And you're not going to enjoy that. You'll never want to do it again. You might not like the soreness that you feel in your joints or in your muscles. So just keep it to something doable. 10 to 20 reps, not bad. it's going to help you be stronger. And it'll do it safely. So nice and slow and controlled. Let me show you from back here. I'm not deviating way out. I'm keeping it close to my body. All right, go ahead and take a rest. 30 seconds of rest. This is a reminder to ATM, always think muscles. Your independence, your confidence, they both rely on you being able to use your upper body, to have some strength, to be able to push yourself up, to be able to lift things up. It's a whole new world when you have that strength. All right, here we go. Push-ups. As many as you can do in this minute, as deep as you can go with control. The slower you go, the harder they are. Also, that makes them a bit safer because you can feel where your real limit is. Like you might feel like, oh, okay, that's it. And that's totally fine. Stay within that range. Over time, you can get a little deeper still, and a little deeper still. Until you're doing these on a low surface or on the floor on your knees or just on the floor. A standard push-up. Can you imagine that? I hope you can imagine that because it'll help you achieve that goal. All right. 30 seconds rest. Again, if you want to take a longer rest, you're allowed to. In the meantime, catch your breath. Take a little sip of water if you need it. If you feel dizzy at any point, just relax. Just chill. Hit the pause button. Relax. Sit down. Rest. Okay? We're not trying to turn you into an Olympic athlete. All right, here we go. Let's grab your weight. 1 minute of rows. We're almost done with this workout. And that bonus exercise is coming. Slow and controlled. Nothing fancy. Just remember that this is going to make lifting your luggage, your groceries, your takeout food, those random things you buy from Home Depot, those gardening supplies, fertilizer, whatever, pots, gopher traps. This is just going to make all that a lot easier. All right, let's take a rest. I'm going to move on to the other arm. And I'm going to move this so you can see it from this side. With any new exercise, remember that slow is safe, fast is foolish. You want to build strength at every length, so make sure you get a full range of motion that you can control. Here we go. Periodically check in with your neck and head posture. While I'm filming and talking and looking at the camera and thinking about things I'm going to say, sometimes my head and neck get out of alignment. Lucky for you, you don't have to do your whole workout in front of a camera, thinking about what thousands of other people will say about you. So you can just grab a mirror, be near a mirror, or even use your phone camera to check your posture and make sure you're not doing this. Right? Keep your spine in a nice neutral alignment. It'll do wonders. Keep using that shoulder blade in the back of your shoulder. All right, nice job. 30 seconds rest. We can put that dumbbell down wherever is good for you. It's good for me. And we're going to be doing our bonus exercise. It's an ab exercise. You can do this on the same counter that you've been doing your push-ups on. And we're just going to be doing a plank. So you just get set. You pull your hands towards your feet and your feet towards your hands. So it's a hand elevated, upper body elevated plank. And you're just pulling feet towards your hands, hands towards your feet. You should feel tension build into your abdominals. And you're just going to hold. Hold, hold, hold. We're just going to do 45 seconds here. That might be too much for you. If it is, please stop. If your arms can't take it, your shoulders can't take it, you feel like you're quivering and shaking and it's all terrible, please just take a break. You can do little spurts of it. Almost done here. And relax. All right, so now we worked your pushing muscles, your pulling muscles, and a little bit of your abs. I hope you liked that little bonus. Hopefully that workout felt like a good challenge and felt good for your body. If you keep doing it consistently, you're gonna feel like you're getting stronger. And before we discuss how often you should be doing this workout, I want to ask you if you would be interested in a full program for seniors that is designed to be simple and practical for you to do workouts at home. If you are interested in that, go to uprighthealth.com/seniors and drop in your name and email address so I know that you are actually interested. It's something I've thought about doing since I watched my parents pass away, and if there are enough people out there who are interested in a program like this, I will definitely build it. And if you're not interested, that's totally fine. Just hit the like and subscribe buttons. I recommend doing this workout twice a week and just keep it at a medium level of challenge. There is no reason for you to try to be super intense about anything and give yourself a heart attack or an aneurysm. There is just no reason why you should be trying to be Mr. or Ms. Olympia if you've been sedentary for the last several decades. Just gradually increase the challenge by holding on to more weight or using a lower surface for your push-ups, and just keep trying to do longer holds for your planks and your abs will get stronger. I highly recommend you bookmark this video so you can come back to it easily, and make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button. And if you're looking for a lower body workout to help you, I will link to that in the description box and also right here. Support this channel by clicking the join or thanks buttons on YouTube, or go to uprighthealth.com/donate. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.